Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is answer, a noun that means a response to a question. Whether you're just starting to learn English or you're looking to sharpen your skills, this is the perfect place to expand your understanding of everyday words. So, what exactly is an answer? Simply put, it's the information, reply, or solution given when someone asks a question. It's an essential part of communication because it helps us share ideas, clarify information, and solve problems. For example, when your teacher asks, "What is 2 plus 2?" your answer would be 4. Or if a friend asks, "What time is dinner?" your answer might be 7 p.m. Now, let's explore some synonyms for answer. Words like reply, response, and solution can often be used in similar contexts. For example, if someone asks how you are, your reply might be, "I'm doing well, thank you." Or if a puzzle is challenging, finding the solution can be satisfying. These synonyms are flexible and can fit into various scenarios where you're sharing information or resolving a query. On the other hand, antonyms of answer include words like question, inquiry, or silence. Think about a moment when someone asks something but doesn't receive a reply. For instance, if you're greeted with a question like, "What did you do today?" and there is only silence, the lack of an answer can make communication difficult. In everyday life, we use the word answer all the time, often without even realizing it. If you're on the phone and someone says, "Please answer the call," they're asking you to respond. Or if you're at a quiz night, you'll be excitedly coming up with an answer to every tricky question. Whether it's solving problems, replying to emails, or engaging in conversations, answer is at the heart of how we interact. Here are some quick examples to help you see how versatile this word is. She didn't know the answer to the math problem. His answer to the question was both clever and accurate. "I'm waiting for an answer to my text message." The teacher praised the student for her thoughtful answer. That's it for today's episode. To sum it up, the word answer is all about giving a response to a question, and it's a key tool for effective communication. Don't forget to try using it in your own sentences today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear your creative sentences using the word answer, so share them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time on Hello Word.